Dollar Tree. Thought I would take you guys to a little shop with me. I want it to be very casual. I'm going to try not to put like music in today's overlay. It really just kind of depends on the store, honestly, and you know. Ooh, is that my exit? Let's go to Dollar Tree, see what they have. I'm super excited. You know what's interesting to me? I was thinking about this the other night. I truly love this store more than any other store because even after 22 years of shopping here, I still get excited every time I go. But that's all I have to say. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're here. Hopefully the store's a little bit more quiet, you know, and I don't know, talk. Here's my outfit of the day. Hat, white shirt, workout shorts, you know, the usual. These are new. Those are definitely new. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get a pack of these. Those are really adorable. I haven't even done like my annual Halloween candy haul at all. Ooh, look at this. Blueberry. That's cute. Some socks, if the shoe fits. Trick or treat. The witch's hats, I've used these and used them as cupcake toppers. Some solar stake lights. These, you guys, these are so good. Like, I love these. These are actually really cute. I'm thinking about, you know, let's get some. That's a cute sign. Do I have that one? Oh, here's the vintage. No, I don't. I have this one and I have this one, but I don't have this one. I have to get this. I really like that it says Jack-o'-lantern Junkyard. That is really, really unique. The vintage cat is back. I did a DIY with this. I'll try to find it. I'll link it down below. But I put this in a candy bowl, like a Halloween candy bowl. But this vintage cat is everything. Let me zoom y'all out so you can see a little bit more. Hold on, I'm gonna swing you around here. Oh my gosh. I already have the mitt to this, don't I? No, I don't think I got this one. I got this one. Wait, did I get that one? I'm gonna get this. Y'all, there's a card epidemic. Like what? What? I've never seen the cards this bare. Never. Oh, this is cute. This little image right here. I could cut that off, but I like that. Wow. I've never. Okay, because junk journaling supplies make me the happiest, I'm gonna get this address book. This is like a cute thing to use. The papers for junk journaling, so I'm gonna get that. I also want to get some flashcards. I was watching a video. I'm subscribed to her and I watched it. I'll link it down below. She went to Dollar Tree and she was like looking for stuff and she found these flashcards and dang it, I don't think I've already got these. Hello Kitty, I really like. Those are cute too. Oh, you know what? It was Crayola. That's who it was. I remember her saying she didn't like Disney cards, but it was... Ooh, I have to get these. I'm gonna get those. Oh, look, they have Encanto. Wow. Oh, what was it, these? They were just really simple, and chances are I know I've already hauled it, but I don't know. These are really cute too. The silver for like Halloween junk journal. I'm gonna get those. These, don't pass up on these, they're amazing. This is cute too with like the pink. I'm gonna get those. Ooh, look at these little stickers. I don't really care about those. I'm obsessed with these little mini writing tablets. They're great just to like keep on hand to like write notes and stuff, but I get these for my junk journals. It's a good color for Halloween. So I'm gonna get those. They usually have like a bunch of other colors, but I'm not seeing them over there. Maybe they're over here somewhere. But so you got like pink papers. You always gotta look at papers for junk journaling. Ooh, wow. It's like cream color. That's very cute, actually. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Little bubble pins. And you already know I'm gonna get those. We've got mini composition notebooks. These are cute. Looks like a maroon, a black. Is that a yellow on the inside? I can't tell. Maybe it's a blue, but I'm gonna get that. I probably have already gotten it too, but monthly planners. Some new stickers from Jot. Oh, so cute. Ooh, look at these princess stickers. If you're doing like a Disney junk journal, that's cute. Wait. Oh my gosh. We're getting that. That's new. This is definitely new. Look at this. Graph paper. I'm gonna get that too. I absolutely love this store. Like, I can't even deal. These cards, you already know I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get a pack of those. They also have the regular white and then the jumbo white, so I'm gonna get those. Those are like a staple in my junk journals. They're my favorite things. Look at these baking cups. They are using the prints that are on like $1.25 items. Like, that's in a bag. So cute. But kind of wish that was $1.25. Are these brushes like a dupe to the wet brush? Oh my god. No, they didn't. What is this brand? I'm definitely gonna get these. They have these really cute car coasters. This is how I roll. That's adorable. Like, if you have a golf cart, that's really cute. I know golf carts are like way more popular now in neighborhoods. Wait. Not a girly car set. No, they didn't. Oh my god, they've never done this. It's always like, you know, the masculine stuff. What? See, like this item, for example, has been around at Dollar Tree for years. Like, I don't know, 7-8 years now, maybe more. I love that little thing. I still have mine. I've got all this car stuff now. One of my favorite videos to watch on TikTok are like car cleaning, car restocking videos. I think I even did a haul of like stocking stuff for the car. Absolutely love those. Is there anything for Loki? What is this? Water dispensing bowl? Oh, maybe it goes to like this or something? They have Myers in the bonus section. That's crazy. These initial mugs are really cute. got L and K. Oh, here's T. Here's some regular baking cups. That's really cute. It could be very Halloween-y, like the red ones, the larger red ones. So they do have them. I love the candy section. Wait, what? We're gonna get all of these. Alright, let's go to another Dollar Tree. I scored pretty big on the last one. Haul's coming soon. But let's go see what this one has. I had the camera like this, and a lady was walking by. I was trying to fix my hair, so I was looking at myself. I set my windows down, and she was smiling at me. Go ahead. Never mind, it's a pointless story. That's so cute. I'm getting that. That is really cute. I love these little seed packets for junk journaling. Like, look, a little pumpkin one would be cute. Sunflower one would be so cute for fall. These. We'll get one more. These. Oh no. Those. This little tin pail is so cute, but this is my favorite. I've already hauled that. I already hauled that. Oh, look at that. Vampire blood. That's nice. Oh, here's the other one. I hauled this one. These pink colors are very fall. Wow, look at Dollar Tree go. That is crazy. Oh, those little things are back. Have I called this the Himalayan pink bath salt? I don't know, but I'm gonna get it. I definitely gotta get that. I also need some of the rug grips. I get them from Dollar Tree. I need to get some more. So, how many do I think I need? Probably 5 for now. I hauled these not too long ago. They are so good. Ooh, I don't have that one. They are incredibly soft. Highly recommend. Highly, highly recommend. A little soap saver. That's, yeah, I pulled that too. I don't know if it was that color, but I pulled that. And you already know I'm gonna get this. When were these out? I don't even know. These are so pretty. I get them sometimes. Like, I've gotten this one. I have gotten this one, but I don't think I've ever gotten that one. I love looking at these. These are really good. What's this one? Look at that. We got little topiaries. So cute. Wow. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna actually get this. These are another favorite of mine for junk journaling. They just have that like vintage look to it. These little like garage sale stickers. Love them. Gonna get them. Oh my gosh. What? These are air fresheners. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys loved the little quick shop with me in the Dollar Tree. I know this was one of my shorter videos today, but I know some of you just want shorter videos as well. So I'm trying to like sometimes hit the shorter ones because I mostly do longer ones, but the hauls are coming. I hit such a huge jackpot between the two stores, so tune back tomorrow. We're gonna do one of the hauls tomorrow. We're gonna do another one Sunday, and then Saturday I'm actually gonna do the setup of my media room. So you're gonna see me like rearranging the furniture. We're gonna mount our fall post or my movie poster frames, and then we're gonna put our fall posters in them, or like Halloween movies in them. So that is gonna be Saturday's video, and then Sunday again for another Dollar Tree haul. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.